Imagine in 7 days from now, opening up your YouTube studio and you see 7,000 new subscribers staring back at you. No paid ads, not magic, not bots, real growth. The kind of growth that changes how you see your channel forever. And here's the thing, it's not luck. It's not some mysterious algorithm hack only the big guys know about. It's a process, a repeatable, strategic process, one that any creator can use, even if you're starting from zero. Today, I'm breaking down how you can go from a slow, dead channel to 7,000 subscribers in just 7 days. And I'm not holding anything back. You're about to get the same blueprint that I would hand out to clients paying me thousands. No fluff, no clickbait. Let's get into it. Step 1, stop creating for everyone. This is the first big mistake most creators make. They aim their content at everyone. And even when you try to reach everyone, you end up reaching no one. Every single video you make should feel like it's made for one person, one viewer, one problem, one goal. Even the most random viral videos you've seen, the ones that feel like luck, were made with a specific type of person in mind. Think Mr. Beast. Yeah, he's massive now, but every thumbnail, every stunt, every payoff is designed for a certain audience experience. If you're in the ASMR, you're not making sound videos. You're helping someone relax after a brutal day or fall asleep faster. Even if you're teaching tech, you're helping a frustrated beginner get unstuck. When you start creating this way, your audience feels like you're reading their mind. And when that happens, they click. They watch longer, they subscribe. So before you hit record on your next video, ask yourself, who is this for? Why would they watch? And what do they want by the end? If you can't answer that, stop and figure it out. That clarity will drive every other decision you make. Step 2, study your market like a scientist. Forget guessing. Forget going with your gut on topics and titles. YouTube is a giant public database of what works. Your job is to study it. Here's your homework. Find the 10 most successful channels in your niche. Not from 10 years ago, but now. Look for channels with content that perform well in the last 24 months. Then study them like a hawk. Look at thumbnails, their titles, their opening hooks, their pacing, their editing style, how long their videos are, the way they structure their stories, and don't just watch them, analyze them. What patterns do you see? Do they start with a problem, a question, or a bold statement? Do they use jump cuts or keep it cinematic? Do they tease results early or do they save it for the end? Once you got that, take it a step further. Write down their 20 top performing titles. Then feed that list into ChatGPT and ask, what patterns and structures do these titles share? After that, you'll get gold. You can even ask it to give you 5 new title formulas based on those patterns. This is where studying turns into stealing like an artist. You're not copying their videos, you're decoding the psychology behind why they work, and that's priceless. Step 3, pick topics that trigger action. Not all topics are created equal. Some topics will give you subscribers faster than others, and the way you find them is by looking for trigger points. These are topics that solve an urgent problem, promise a fast result, or reveal something the audience didn't know before. Urgency makes people click, and being specific makes them stay. If your title is How to Edit Videos, it's too broad. But how to edit videos in 10 minutes from start to finish, that's urgent, that's specific, that's clickable. Every video you post should be designed to either make the viewer feel like they must watch now, or make them feel like they'll be missing out if they don't. You're not just posting videos, you're creating events. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the link in the description of this video for more videos just like this to help you with your YouTube growth and grow in a short amount of time. These are the exact steps that I've been teaching people for years. If you want to grow online, grow like a Smith.